and welcome in my channel video tutorial, and I want to show you how to move into the line, and we cover this topic 3 points essentially. We want to go to a line number, and we want to go to the end of file in Vim, or we want to go to the start of line, the first line, or the last line. So I create 3 lines, and I can move into the file, into the line using the arrows, so up and down, right and left. Or you can use the H to move on the left, the L to move on the right, and the J to go on the line, or in K to go up. So it's preferred to use this method to move into the Vim window. And here we go. We have only 3 lines, and I want to get more lines. So what I press Shift V and I select 3 lines. I press twice epsilon 1, 3 lines yanked, and I go in the bottom, so I move and I press the key P. You can see that I can duplicate the line many times. If I press the key U, return. So if I want to paste, let's say for 5 times, I press 5P, and this action is done for 5 times, and it's very interesting because I want to duplicate to have more lines. So let's say I want to go to the line 1. I simply press 1 followed by Shift big G, and we go. If I want to go to the line 14, I press 14 big G, and I go. If I want to the line 5, press 5 big G, and I go. If I want to go to the bottom, I press simple Control Top, and I go to the top. If I want to go to the bottom, I press simple got the end, Control End in the keyboard, and I go. And this is very interesting to move into the line. Now another tip that probably you're asking is, you see that I have on the side of my editor I have the number, so press column, Shift column together in the command mode, and I write set number, and here you see this is the command to show the numbers, line numbers. If I want to remove, set no number, and here we go. And if I want to do this action, of course, it's very simple. So let's get again Shift V, move to the end, yelled 3 lines yanking, go to the end and press 10P, and for 10 times I have this line, and there we go. Now repeat the number, and there we go, 24 lines. Then go to the end and then go to the up. So here how to move into the Vim editor is essentially, and I think we covered all the topic to move into the line, how to move. So remember, basically in normal mode, press the line number, for example 24, big G. So here is the command. Let's go to the end, insert mode, and here we go. So press number line followed by G, and you can go. If I want to go to the top, here we go, Control plus top, home, and close, and go to end of file. And here we go. This is the most important stuff to know.